Alright guys, here we are. I'm going to show you what it sounds like with a Phoenix spark arrestor insert on a stock pipe, and then I'm going to install my new FMF Q4 pipe and let you hear what that sounds like. Performance on the Phoenix is pretty good. So I'm not looking for a whole lot more performance, but a little bit different sound, maybe a little nicer looking. So here's what we sound like now. Okay, when I come back, I'll have the FMF pipe on. We'll try that. 2008 Honda TRX 400EX. Thanks. Okay, so I'm back. Got the FMF Q4 exhaust put on. Took a little less than an hour. Went on pretty good. Hardest part was getting the old muffler off of the header. I think it looks real nice. It's a good looking pipe. So let's hear what it sounds like.